Boo, who invited you? No, who invited you? I heard a disturbance. Must be the brains of the operation. I am, you should beware. Oh, you trying to threaten me? Velma, where's my phone? You got the right one. Oh, there's no signal. Oh, hell no. Boo. Boy, bye. There has to be a panic button around here somewhere. Ooh. My bad. Yes, please, we're over here. Oh. Hi, yes, thank you for coming. I just bought this house. I want my money back.